Saravanan to deliver today's Tirkural. இன்றைய திருக்குறள் வேண்டுதல் வேண்டாமை இலானடி சேர்ந்தார்க்கு யாண்டும் இடுபை இல்லை. ஒரு விருப்பு வெறுப்பு இல்லாத கடவுளின் திருவடிகளை வணங்குவோருக்கு எப்பொழுதும் துன்பம் இல்லை. நன்றி.
Now I like to call Riya to deliver proverb. Good morning to all.
Today's proverb: all the glitter is not gold. I repeat once again: all the glitter is not gold.
Now I like to call Deva to deliver today's thought.
Good morning to all. Today's thought: time is long but life is short. Thank you.
Why can't you repeat well?
To call
I'm going to ask some GK questions.
Good morning to
For today's GK question, what is found in largest quantity on earth? And second, what is found in largest quantity on earth? Answer. Answer: oxygen. What is the fruit whose seeds contain poison? I repeat once again. What is fruit whose seeds
contain poison?
Answer: apple. In which river of India does gold flow? I repeat once again. In which river of
India those gold flow? Answer: Golden
Peka river?
In which country is blue apple
Found.
I repeat once again: in which country is blue apple found?
China.
Correct answer. Now I like to call Akshay to deliver speech.
Today's speech.
I speak about
Strawberry. The strawberry is the food. The strawberry.
red in color. It is smaller in size and hot in shape. It is rich in vitamin C. Thank you. Now I like to call
Deliver news.
Today's news. Kerala introduces digital payment system in government hospital. 20,000 Andhra students set world record perform 108 Surya Namaskarams. Man posing as British heart surgeon performs surgeries causes multiple deaths in Madhya Pradesh. Thank you.